Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool you should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just tap to open the app. Here, click Yes, I agree, pick Close, and tap to OK on the left down corner, and you'll see here information about our battery. In temperature, and in my case, that's 36 and 1. And also, we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.